I'll go evens. All right, you go first. All right, Sentinel Warder is decent. And this is your new one or your old one? Yeah, yeah. I don't need two suppression fields at the start. This is a lot of removal. I'll be honest, this is not. I mean, it's not a bad opening hand, but it's also not like the opening hand you want to see most of the time with this deck. I'll get Earth Metal. Shocker. Nope. Hey, look, I also play a Warder and a Sentinel. Yes. All right. Ooh. Figure doesn't feel terrible here. Refractor. Yeah, hmm. I mean, those just killed both of his units. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't have a lot of spell effects. Yeah, I think this is good. All right, I got a bottom 4. Yeah, because I'm playing 2 colors, yeah. All right. Um, no haste. And the Bumble Crab is just 1 mana, 2, 3. That's just... I don't think I can attack into that, which is the scary part. So, no, I can't attack. All right, your turn. You can counterattack if you want. Okay. Anything before blocks? Okay, before blocks, I'll attempt to put -2/-2 onto your crab. Oof. Yeah, sure. 6. So I guess -2/-2. So he's a 4. He's a 4/5 now. Um, jeez, that's a lot. That's a lot of power. Yeah, I'll take 5. Nothing else before blocks. No blocks, I guess. That's what I say. So anything before damage. Okay, I'll take 5. Yikes. All right, I'll play a Formless for turn. initiative next turn. This isn't good now. Seismomancy. Good to kill the warder with. Oh, I just need to kill his stuff. Luckily, this stuff kills his stuff, but I need to bottom 3 things. So I can't do this. Reconfigure, even though it's good. Reconfiguring his warder isn't bad, though. And he will do it in response to this. And then I can refractor something else. No, I start off with the refractor on the formless, on the warder. If I'm doing that, I might as well do Bulbrub. So refractor can go. I'm gonna be bottoming 3. Yeah, bottom 3. Get earth and a shard. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. 1, 2. Sure. Okay, so I'm going to respond by I guess if I do that. Oh wait. Yeah. I'm gonna try something else though. I'm gonna try to reconfigure your bumble crab onto your warder. No, it has to be augment target unit and all of its mods onto another target unit. So you can't do that. Oh, I just realized what you can't do, and I don't like it. Whoops. But another target unit though. Yes, you can change one target, which I just realized is yeah. No, you can't. Because the spell requires it has to be the targets have to be different, right? Yes. Yeah. No problem. Yes. Well, if this happens, it kills your warder, right? And your bumblecrab. No, because then you're changing. Okay. Attach. Yeah, so I think how it works is because I've chosen two targets, right? Change a target of target effect to me. I am. You can't change the initial target to warder. This actually might be a rules question. So Caleb hasn't gone back on the ruling yet, but what we're going to go with is because reconfigure only has to target two separate units. Warder can only change one target of the thing. He's only got 2 mana left anyways. The only thing he could change would be to put Bumblecrab on the target on Bumblecrab to target Warder, and since it has to target another unit, it can't target Warder twice. So we were going with that ruling. It might change if Caleb comes back to us with a different answer, but that's what we're going with this game. And it's erased. And reconfigure goes to the bin. All right. And then over here, I'm going to activate my warder to change the target of Malform Monstrosity. Warder is dying all over the place. Yes. I will go to blocks and counterattacks. If that's okay. I'll counterattack like this. And I will block like this. When I block, I'll turn this robot into a 4/4. Yeah. Okay. And if that's all clear, we'll go over here and I'll deal 1 to you. Alright, regroup. I've got no mana left. That's card draw at least. I don't have any of my card draw yet. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. For me, I only had 0 mana. Yeah. Custodian, I want. I need to get my robot dead. No, this kills it. It erases it. Seismomancy is card draw that kills that. I still need a bottom 3 here. I need mana in this deck. I need to get up to 7 to 8. So 1 Custodian. This is bad against Bub. Alright, I'll bottom 3. Get a metal and a shard. Okay. I mean, if you don't, yeah, if you don't need the mana and you need to get into the game sometimes, it can really help to stay back on 1 turn for mana. No haste. I think I will go to attacks. Attacking like this. I will trigger the formless targeting my robot. Try to make it a 4/4 with no abilities. Just, yeah. 5/5, yeah, sorry, with the +1/+1 counter. And it's flying, this column. Mm-hmm. Okay, you nothing after blocks. That's 7. My robot dies. And then before oh yeah, spawn a robot, sorry, yeah. And then after combat, I'm gonna attempt a Seismomancy your bird. Counterspell, return to nature, yeah. That's a good return to nature. Oh, meteor shower. Never mind. Oh, it's Rockfall 3. Yeah, I will. Oh, by the way, he did fix this, by the way. Oh no, you have the correct one now. Nice. I will choose. I'll choose my 5/5 robot first. Okay. I'll choose my 5/5 robot for the second one. Then I'll choose my 1/1 robot for the last one. Yep. Nice. Good use of the spell. All right. Then I got nothing else before regroup. Okay. I'll play a Scrapyard Custodian, and I'll graft my Sentinel onto my Formless so that I can make robots when I attack. And then, because I make a robot, I draw with my Scrapyard Custodian. And you'll have the initiative next turn. I do have to target the Formless with its 4/4 ability for that to happen. Otherwise, the Custodian becomes a 4/4 and then loses its ability before the robot's made, I think. Okay, Caleb just confirmed. Yeah, I can't do anything if it's one of the two targets. So we got the correct ruling. Sorry? Because it can't change the target. It can't make itself the target for both halves of the effect. So, yeah, like we figured out. It's good. All right, Graxlid is good here. It's a counterspell. Let's also card draw with this later. This is removal. Astrolith is really good here. Okay, I'm just going to be bottoming 2. I kind of want to keep the Luminary. Do I get rid of removal? I don't really need removal against him right now. I just need card draw, and these are all these are all card draw engines. I will just bottom 2. Which is kind of the cool thing about the turn where you just take 1 turn off of gaining mana to hopefully get back into the game, and we're still even on mana the next turn, which is awesome. All right, you got initiative. Okay. I will attack in a choppable way. I'll get an attack trigger with my Formless. I will target itself. And try to make a robot 1. Robot 1 enters, triggers my Custodian to draw a card. That resolves. Okay, I'll draw a card. Yep. I'll let that block go through. All right. Nothing after. Go to regroup. Okay. I'm going to drop a Metamorphic Luminary and an Astrolith. And the Astrolith's going to trigger 1 time. Put a +1/+1 counter on Ubalanzo at a 3/4. I'll put on my Scrapyard Custodian. It doesn't draw a card because it's already triggered once this turn. All right, 1, 2, 3, Yes. Alright, I like this because he's got removal. It's kind of a counterspell. Counterspell. Don't need this, don't need this. I am ahead. I don't need the return of nature. I'm going to bottom 3. I get an earth and a shard. Okay. Oh yeah, I've got initiative this turn, right? Yeah. Yeah, I will be attacking. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Probably. Oh wait, no, I should do like this. Yeah. Yeah, like this. I'll attack like this. Formless and the Luminary. My target for the Formless will be my robot. So I'm attempting to do that and make a crystal one. No response? Okay, I will make this into a base 4/4. Make a robot. This entering triggers Custodian to draw a card. I draw a card. This makes a crystal one. Alright. Then nothing before blocks and counterattacks. 5/5. So this is 7 damage column. This is a flying column. And this has 4 power. Yeah. To do 3 counters, yeah. And I've also got the crystal as well. Okay. Before damage, I'll attempt to put this crystal on my Formless. Okay. Then I'm going to activate Astrolith. Two times, yeah. To put 2 more counters on my Formless. Okay. Then damage happens. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 damage. And then over here, if there's after combat, nothing happens. I will take 3. Probably not 16 shards. Oh, well, your shard form died. Then I got nothing in deployment, actually. Oh, wait, actually, no. In deployment, I will put 1 counter on my Luminary with my Astrolith. That's a board now. Yep. Alright, so I'm just going to be bottoming 2 this turn, right? I don't really have reason not to bottom 3. I don't want Skybreaker because I have 2 Interdiction Rifts, Suppression Field, Graxlid. I don't need Seismomancy here. Yes, sorry. It's my only like removal spell in hand. Well, I'm gonna be bottoming 3, but yeah, I got 5 cards in hand. Bottom 3. get an earth and a shard. All right. Yep. No haste. You gonna attack? Okay. All right, I'll attack. I'll change the formation up a little bit this time. And when I attack, I will target this robot. And then I'll attempt to make a robot and make a crystal. Okay. This gets buffed by 4. I will make a robot 1, which triggering this, no response. Then I will then play, and then I also make a crystal 1. Flying, powerful. All right, I'm going to attempt to Seismomancy your Shredder. Okay, I draw a card. I'm gonna attempt to Monstrosity your Huba. Okay. Yes. Oh, actually, I don't know I did that. I know I did that. All right. That is everything. You can go to blockers now. Yeah. Yep. So it's a 4 power. Sure. Yep, this robot dies. So before damage, I will attempt to put my crystal onto my Custodian. I will activate Astrolith once to put a counter on my Custodian. And then that should be 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 in the air, which is exactly lethal. And then yeah, if you did, you got 1 card in hand, and I had a rift in hand. So lethal in the air.